Alright guys, I'm going to randomize the numbers here. Bucks playoff game 1, 9:09 p.m. Just about to click over, might be 9:10 by the time we're done here. Live. We are live. 9:09. 9:09. We are going to grab the list. Here we go. Alright, we're going to drop that in random. Alright, we got 10 entries. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher, just like a raffle. And we have a 10. That's good. We're going 10 times. Good luck. Go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times dice of the 10. Next click. Got your numbers. And 10. Alright, guys. Here's your numbers. Numbers are here. Ryan, you got 0. We are done. 9:10 p.m. We will go back to the post. We will type done. We are done. 9:10 p.m. 9:10 p.m.